Today I am going to discuss some properties of complement sets. Complement laws. A union A dash is equal to universal sets and A intersection A dash is equal to phi. So see here, A dash and A both are disjoint sets. Both are disjoint sets. That's why A intersection A dash is equal to phi. When you will combine the set A dash and A, you will get universal set. Yesterday I already solved this one. A union A dash equal to universal set U and A intersection A dash is equal to phi. Now De Morgan's law also I solved yesterday. A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash and A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Laws of double complements. A complement of complement is equal to A. Laws of empty set and universal set. Phi complement of phi is equal to universal sets and complement of universal set is equal to phi. For example, if suppose A is a set, suppose set A is equal to 1, 2, 4 and U is a universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then A complement or A dash is equal to, leave these all elements 1, 2, 4. So remove 1, remove 2, remove 4. So you will get 3, 5, 6. Again complement of complement. Now again you have to remove here A complement. Suppose here 3, 5, 6. Now remove 3, 5, 6 from the universal set. 3, 5, 6 remove. So then you will get 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Remove these 3, 5, 6 from the universal set. So see here, when you remove 3, then 5, then 6, you will get here 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. What is 1, 2, 4? 1, 2, 4 is A. That is A. It means A complement of complement is equal to A. Suppose you have taken universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and phi is a set. Phi means null set. In the bracket also you can write. So here if you will take the phi complement, if there is no elements in phi, so it means the U will be as it is. It means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No element removed from the universal sets. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and that is equal to U. Now if you will take universal set U and U complement, when you will complement, when you remove all these elements from the universal set, you will get null set is equal to phi. Now I am going to solve some question based on this one. I will solve some question. First of all, two formula I am going to discuss. Formula. N A union B is equal to N A plus N B minus N A intersection B, where A and B are two finite sets, where A and B are two finite sets. two finite sets and A intersection B where and A intersection B is not equal to phi. Number 1. Number 2, if A intersection B is equal to phi, A intersection B is equal to phi, then formula will become N A union B is equal to NA plus NB. Because A intersection B is equal to phi means disjoint sets, then the formula become N A union B is equal to NA plus NB. Now suppose if you are taking three sets, let A, B and C are three sets. Three finite sets. Then formula will become N A union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus N A intersection B minus N A intersection C minus N B intersection C plus N A intersection B intersection C in a cyclic order. A, B and C. See here NA, NB and C. Then after A intersection B, you can take B intersection C and then C intersection A. This one. If the disjoint sets A intersection B is equal to phi, A intersection B is equal to phi, if A intersection B equal to phi, B intersection C equal to phi and C intersection A equal to phi, then formula will become N A union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC. The formula. So you can write here NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B. You can write here B intersection C also, then C intersection A also. So and then after plus NA intersection B intersection C. If A intersection B is equal to phi, B intersection C equal to phi and C intersection A equal to phi, then formula will become this one. Now I am going to solve NCERT question from your book. So question is, if X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements, X has 28 elements and Y has 32 elements, how many elements does X intersection Y have? Example number 23 from NCERT. Page number 21. So see here, if X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements, X has 28 elements. and y has 32 elements. How many elements does x intersection y have? This is a question mark. So solution here. So here x and y two sets such that x union have 50. Here it means we have an x union y is equal to 50. X has 28 elements and x is equal to 28 and n y is equal to 32. See here, when you will add 32 plus 28 is equal to 60. It means x and y are not disjoint sets. It means we have to use the formula n x union y is equal to nx plus ny minus n x intersection y. So x union y is given, this one is how much? 50, and this is equal to 28 and this is equal to 32 minus x intersection y. Now transfer this one left side and 50 right side. So n x intersection y is equal to 60 minus 50 is equal to 10. This question you can solve by another method also. See here the Venn diagram, through Venn diagram here. Suppose here this is a set A, here A, this one is B and this one is C. This is set X, this is set Y. So here A plus B plus C is equal to 50. A plus B is equal to, here A plus B means X. How much x? X is 28, equal to 28. Now what is y? Y is B plus C. Y is B plus C. So B plus C is equal to 32. Now suppose this is equation 1, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. So now from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2. So see here, put the value of A plus B here in equation 1. So you will get 28 plus C is equal to 50. So C is equal to, here you transfer that side, A plus B is equal to 28 and A plus B plus C is equal to 50. So transfer this side, 50 minus 28 is equal to 22. You got C. Input here in C in equation 2 from equation 3. B plus C is equal to 32. So B plus C you got 22 equal to 32. So B equal to 32 minus 22. B is equal to 10. What is B? B is x intersection y. This is x intersection y. So x intersection y is equal to 10.